Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching this video. I hope you are fine. Today we're going to make bread with no yeast and using a Sufuria. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Like, share, and comment. Yes, so we're going to start with our flour, our unga in our bowl. Then we have baking powder. So we'll put our baking powder in that bowl of flour, unga. We'll put 1 tablespoon of baking powder. This recipe, you don't choose yeast, instead you use baking powder. Also you will not use hot water for now. I'm going to show you the most old-fashioned way of making bread at home. Easy way of making a round or circle bread. I'm going to make a circle bread because I don't have the tins. So we're going to stir our unga and baking powder, and then you're going to put our sugar. Uweke enough sugar, usiweke kidogo depending with your unga. For me, I'm going to put like 3 spoons. Then I will stir my mixture, that is unga and baking powder and sugar. I'll stir to make unafaa ustir hivyo, like ucombine hivyo ndio zishikane pamoja. This is how I'm going to show you how I make my bread at home. A very old-fashioned simple way. Then I'm going to put my eggs. Those are 2 eggs, by the way, 2 eggs. 2 eggs only. I'm going to use only 2 eggs. So that is my 2 eggs. I'm going to continue mixing till the combination iko sambamba. So wewe utapika the way you want it, depending on how you want it. You can separate the liquid ingredient kando, then you add there, or combine everything pamoja. Unajua keki ndo it's always complicated. Keki, you first do the liquid kando, then the solid kando, then you mix all the ingredients. So here is our milk. We're going to go in with our milk. It's cold milk, as you can see. I've not warmed it. Everything is just cold. Yes. So there is my milk. I'm going to mix now. Today I've not even measured anything. So here is our mixture of flour, eggs, 2 eggs, and milk and sugar and baking powder. So we're going to mix them together. Ndio ile flavor ile ingie kila mahali. Usichoke kumix. So now we will have to go with our hands. Unaona, do at this moment we can't continue with our wiko. So we go in with our hands. Then you will continue kneading. You will knead. Yes. Usichoke knead. Continue kneading till you get your satisfying flour. Yes, kinye inakubamba wewe. Kinye itakubamba, that's it. So you knead. Then after kneading, I will show you the next way on what to do next. This is the old-fashioned way. I know people now do it in a different way, but I'm showing you the old-fashioned way. unabonyeza around ndio unga isishike hapo chini na isiungue. So tukaweka, now we have to cover our flour kidogo for some few minutes ipande kidogo. So I told you kuwa we are going to use the old-fashioned way. We have not used any yeast or any hot water. We are going to boil water. This is our boiled water, and then you're going to put that, what should you call it? Hiyo chuma. Then, if you don't have it, it's okay. Unaweza dip your sufuria inside that. Unaweza dip your small sufuria into that big sufuria. But if you have that kamesh, hiyo kachuma, unaweka your sufuria up there, ndo ishike ile moto. It's the old-fashioned way. Ipate moto ndio ifure kabisa hadi juu. I don't know if pia you use this method ama you don't use it. So tumeweka hivyo, then tunaweka our flour, our mixture hapo juu, well covered. Tunaweka hapo juu ndio ipate hiyo moto ifure kabisa. Yes, that's our way. Then after some time nitaona kuwa hii mesh ama hii chuma ina take too long kupata moto vizuri. So if you have a much bigger sufuria like the one there, unaweza decide udip your sufuria directly to the other sufuria, or uiweke hiyo mesh alafu ungoje. If you are ready kuweka mesh, ukuwe very patient. It takes time hadi hiyo maji boil kabisa like kuwe moto kabisa. If you can't wait, I'm going to show you the next way, what I'm trying to say hapo mbele. The next video, watch it out the way I'm trying to say. This is what I am saying. If you can't wait, unaidip directly. If you can wait, iache tu pale kwa mesh and wait, ungoje, you give it time, But if you can't wait, unaweza idip direct, or you just cover it. Now you make sure you cover it. So it has doubled in size. As you can see, it had already doubled in size. Then we're going to apply our one egg. The one egg yenye libaki, we're going to apply it on top. Ndo it give the golden brown color that we want for our bread. So the reason why I'm making a circle or a round bread is because I don't have the tin yet. But if you have the tin, you can make a normal bread. It will be much easier and much better. But because of that, I'll be making a round bread for now using a sufuria. Yes, so you apply your egg. Be generous. Usinyime egg. Apply your egg every corner. Be very generous. Ndio ikiturn golden brown, inakuwa the best. Pia, if you have yeast will be the best to make bread. Use yeast, it will be the best. Yeast, it will be the best. So ndio tumeweka kwa our gas, tumeweka kwa our oven, then tunaingojea you work. So Psalms chapter 9 verse 1 to 2, it says, I'll praise you, Lord, with all my heart. I will tell about the wonderful things you have done. You make me happy, so I will rejoice in you. God Most High, I praise your name. Amen. Voila! That's our results. Golden brown. Very, very beautiful. Very, very looking very sweet. No yeast, no butter. We used normal cooking oil. And yes, it looks so delicious and it tastes so good. Yes. Next time we'll make bread using yeast, and we will have tins. We'll use tins and we will use yeast. We see how it will be, and water. But this time round, as you can see, voila, it looks so nice. And hata haikuungua anywhere. Haikuungua anywhere, na ilikuwa inatoka tu yenyewe. Hivyo tu. Yenyewe tu. Hivyo tu, without forcing it itoke. It tastes very good and it is very sweet, and it looks nice, as you can see for yourself. This is the old-fashioned way. Homemade bread. There is no buying of bread kwa duka. I have shown you the old-fashioned way. If you don't have a tin, you can make this bread at home. The easy way, if you don't have a tin for making bread, or if you don't want to buy yeast, you don't want to use yeast, I've shown you a way on how to make this easy bread recipe, round bread recipe. You can do the same, you can use the same recipe to make normal bread, the rectangle one. Yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel. We are on our road to 1,000 subscribers. Yes, and I know that we can get there. We will get there to 1,000 subscribers and go to our 2,000 subscriber goal. Thank you for your support, guys. You are the best. You are literally the best ever. Continue subscribing and continue sharing these videos. Yes, I will put the ingredients in my description. You can also try this recipe at home, slowly by slowly. Yani, this recipe is for beginners. Pole pole, to step by step. Hawarakishi na mtu, step by step. Just take your time. Yes, I hope you enjoy this video. Look how this bread. I didn't confuse my cake. Look how this bread looks. Bye.